It is starting.
Here in Startown you will see a lot of fun for you and me. Come and sing along. We are the Starlanders.
Let's see you play the spark away.
Starland crazy.
Don't be lazy, crazy.
Starland crazy. I'm so bad I'm lucky bad. Starland crazy. The time has come for Starland fun. Hey, I'm Starland. All the wacky jokes galore, puppies, prizes, final score. Starland crazy, Starland crazy. Starland for a prize box, Starland cover for the rainbow fire. Starland crazy, Starland crazy.
That's right, everyone. It's Starland Crazy time. Woo. I've broken the cases and I don't know how. Oh well. How are we all today?
Good.
Good? What's everyone been up to? I know you went down to the beach, didn't you?
Yeah.
You really enjoyed your day on the beach. I'm quite jealous. What did you guys do? You can't talk to me. I am pissing. It's okay. Come here, everyone. I'm okay. I promise. So you guys went to the beach as well?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. What about you guys? What did you guys do? You went to the beach as well? Oh my goodness. What about you guys? What did you guys do? You went to the beach? You all went to the beach?
Yeah.
Oh wow, sounds like you had a great time. I'm very jealous. Did anybody see any sharks?
No.
Oh.
No sharks.
What's that? Jellyfish! Did anybody else see jellyfish? You see, I bet you did while you were paddleboarding.
I think I saw
Oh, 4, 6. Oh my goodness. You saw 5 jellyfish. You saw one moving. 7. Well, I saw 8. No, I didn't go to the beach. You have a cookie. It's really loud, and if you're not really loud, all the lights will go out, and then we've all got to go home. I know. So we've got to be super duper loud. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, excited! Oh, you definitely did it. Come on then, let's do our silly dance.
Tickety-tock, 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 let's look at the clock. Tickety-tock, 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 let's look at the clock.
What time is it?
Storybook
Oh,
showtime!
it's Storybook showtime, so sit yourselves down. Sit your check it down there. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Who's it? Whoa. Oh my goodness, I am the most magical person ever. No, it wasn't. It wasn't. I'm just magical. Come there. Alright, I'm checking over there. It's not there. Oh my goodness, it's so sweet. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. There's a duck. A duck. No, I'm just magical. Look, okay. Sweets fall from the sky. Where? What happened? Oh. It must not working again. Okay, let me try again. Sweets fell from the sky. Hang on 1 second. Sweets fell from the sky. I caught you. They run out. Oh, you did tell me. Sid, get here. Sid, where you gone? Which way have you gone? Have you gone this way? I lost Sid. Which way has he gone? Sid, where you gone? Where are you? I can't find him anymore. Can't find him anymore. He was over there then, wasn't he? Right, I'm going to go through this way. Sid! Where are you, Sid? Sid? Oh, you went that way? I just went through there. Alright, okay, Sid. Where are you, Sid? Sid! Go the other way. Okay. See you on the other way. Sid, where are you? Sid! I called you, I've seen you. No, I didn't just miss Sid. He's hiding from me now, isn't he? Should we call him as loud as we can? And see if he comes out? Are you ready as loud as you can? 1, 2, 3. Didn't work, that means we've got to be even louder. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, Are you locked in? Sit. Oh, did you bump your nose? Come here. You're gonna have to get Sparky here tomorrow. I broke the curtains. I broke them. And they're gone open. I don't know what happened. I know, you're gonna have to get Sparky here. Everyone say hi, Sid! Hi! Right. These guys, what? Right, yeah, I told the story, it was really good. Did you like it? Yeah, sweets fell from the sky and everything. Sid?
You were the one who phoned Dad.
Was it you who was throwing sweets? No, it was me, it was magical. Let's try it again then. Okay, sweets fall from the sky. No, absolutely not. iPads do not fall from the sky. Unless you want to pay for that, Sid, absolutely no chance. Now, I told a story earlier and the kids loved my story. You loved my story, didn't you? What do you know? You said yeah earlier. Why? I was really hard on myself. They said it was rubbish. The sweets fell from the sky. Oh. Well, it's because I'm magical. It's not my fault. You're hungry. Okay. Tough. You want chips to hold on. You'll have to ask the kitchen first. See if they'll do it. And the sea. They went to the seaside, right? Did any of you have chips at the seaside? Did any of the seagulls try to eat your chips? Sid. Sid. It wasn't Andy. It wasn't Andy. It was not me. It wasn't me. No, it wasn't them. No. It was you, wasn't it, Sid? No. Does she look like a seagull to you? No, I said. Right. It was you. I thought it was him. She's evil. How is she evil? She's evil, I don't know. Right. Who would like to hear a story from Sid? Right, okay. Get yourselves nice and comfy then. Because it's story time with Sid.
Hi there, Starlanders, and welcome to Sid's Story Time. It's time for a story. It's story time, so come on down. Sit down on the floor, there's no time for a frown. Until you'll hear from the Starland crew a fantasy of mystery, or maybe it's you. Sid and Sparky, just to give you. This is on the run and Sparkle's the news. Don't forget your man and Noggy. Are you ready? Yeah! We want you to love story story time with me, Sid, the Starland storytelling seagull. Here, hands up if you've got any brothers and sisters. Hands up if you've got any cousins. Hands up if you've got any nephews or nieces. Hands up if you've got friends. It's brilliant having family and friends, isn't it? Someone to play with, someone to talk to, someone not to talk to, someone to tell your secrets to, someone to argue with. Just like me and Sparky. Family and friends come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, colours and characters. I mean, Lizzie has been like a sister to me since we were little, and she's a lizard, and she's green. Anyway, the reason I mentioned family and friends is because that is what my story is about today. Because a little while back, I did a favour for one of my Startown friends. Can you guess who asked me for a favour? Shout out if you can. Hey? Oh, no? Well, some of you have guessed and others haven't. So let's have a little guessing game. I'll give you a few clues and see if you can work out who I did a favour for. It wasn't someone blue. Who do you know that's blue? Shout it out. Hands up if you think it wasn't Narky. Correct. It wasn't him. Clue number 2. Oh, that rhymed. Clue number 2. I'm a poet and I didn't know I was one. It also wasn't someone green. Who do you know that is green? The Hulk? No. Someone in Startown. Hands up if you think it wasn't Lizzie. Correct. It wasn't Lizzie. It wasn't Pipsqueak either, which is unusual because she's always getting into scrapes. No, it was someone with big ears who likes carrots. That's whittled it down to 2 then, hasn't it? Hands up if you think it was my bestest friend, the carrot-loving Sparky. Hands up, that's it. Well, you're wrong. It was Sparkle. She's so lovely. She's my friend. And so, of course, I said yes to her. Although, thinking about it, I should have found out what it was I was saying yes to first. Because you see, Sparkle had to go away for the night to report on a very important story over at Prizebox Island. But she had also promised to look after her little bunny nephew for the night. His name was Bugs. Can you guess his second name? Shout out if you can. Eh? Who? Bugs who? Well, some of you are close. His name was Bugs Rabbit. He said, avoiding copyright. That's right, his name was Bugs Rabbit. Or as I have started calling him since, the Bunny of Doom. Sparkle dropped him off with his overnight bag at my surf shack and said, look after Bugs, Sid. Make sure he eats all of his tea and goes to bed early. Don't be too noisy around him because he's very sensitive and shy because he's only 2. Aww, everybody say, aww, aww. He was a cute and cuddly little bunny with big round blue eyes. Aww. Don't you worry, Sparkle, I said. I'll look after him, put him to bed after tea, and he'll be ready for you to pick up in the morning. And with that, off Sparkle went. She even gave me a little peck on the cheek to say thank you. Everybody say, woo, woo. Oh no. As Sparkle disappeared into the distance, I turned to little Bugs. But to my surprise, he wasn't there. Where could he have gone? I listened for a moment and heard a boing, 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 followed by a wahoo! I went inside and there was little Bugs bouncing on my sofa, knocking all the cushions all over the place. Oi, get down from there, Bugs, I said with a chuckle. One more bounce, Uncle Sid, he cried, and with a whee, he bounced up high and landed with a doink right next to the big row of surfboards I keep stacked together inside my shack. He wobbled like this as he landed, whoa, and which bumped the next one, which fell and bumped the next one, then the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one, until the last one fell and bashed me on the beak. Ouch! Sorry, Uncle said Bugs. Oh, I couldn't be annoyed with him because he's so cute. Everybody say, ah, ah. Anyway, to keep him out of mischief, I decided to take him on a tour of Startown to meet all my friends. Our first visit was to Sparky's house. As we approached, Bugs shouted, "Hiya, Uncle Sparky," and gave him a big hug. Ah. The next second he was gone, rooting around Sparky's workshop. "Don't touch anything," I called, as Sparky and I had a bit of a catch-up. After a quick cup of carrot juice, it was time for Sparky to get back to work. He'd been mending the Startown clock. He headed into his workshop to carry on fixing the mechanism, but when he reached for his tools, he couldn't pick them up. Bugs had only gone and chewed all the carrot handles off them. "It's okay," laughed Sparky. "I've got loads more carrots growing in the garden. I'll have new handles in no time." But as we went outside, we heard a pop, 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 as each of the carrot tops disappeared under the ground. Sparky ran to try and stop them disappearing, got his foot caught in one of the holes, tripped, went flying through the air, whee, and landed on the muck heap that he used to help the carrots grow. He came out all covered in manure. Phew-wee! Everybody hold your nose and go, phew-wee! What a pong! Yep, you've guessed it. Bugs had only gone and chewed through all the carrots in the garden as well. "Sorry, Uncle Sparky," Bugs said quietly as he looked up with a tear in his big blue eyes. "I was hungry." He was expecting big trouble. Everybody say, "Ah, ah." "Oh, that's all right, you little scamp," said Sparky, unable to resist his big blue sorry eyes. As Sparky went to grab a shower, I said to Bugs, "Let's go and visit Lizzie and try to be a bit more helpful this time." And so off we went. Now Sparkle had told Lizzie to expect a visit from us and had laid on a special tea. She was going to have something healthy as usual. Fresh veg, bugs, rice and a yummy sauce which she shared with Bugs. Yep, that's right. Bugs ate some bugs with Lizzie. And for me, she had cooked up my favourite worms and chips. That sounds delicious, doesn't it, kids? Yum, yum. And for pudding, she was going to make rhubarb crumble and custard. "Can I help?" asked Bugs. "Why, of course," said Lizzie. "That's very helpful. You can make the custard." And with that, Bugs grabbed the yellow custard powder and started mixing it up. Soon, we were ready for our rhubarb crumble and custard. Lizzie and me took a bite of the lovely crumble covered in yellow custard. I said. "Well done, Bugs. This custard is delicious." But then, I felt a burning sensation in my mouth. I looked over at Lizzie and her eyes widened and we both went, "Wah!" Bugs hadn't mixed up a load of yellow custard powder. He mixed up a bowl of red hot mustard powder. Hot, 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 hot. We both hanged our mouths like this. Do it with me, boys and girls. And gulp down some water like this. "What are you doing mixing up a bowl of mustard, Bugs?" asked Lizzie. "I'm sorry, Auntie Lizzie. I haven't learned how to read properly yet, and I thought the pack said custard." He sniffed, looking at her with his big blue eyes. Everybody say, "Aww, aww." "Oh, that's all right," said Lizzie. "At least you tried." And so it was time to take Bugs back to the surf shack to settle down for the night. In the morning, just before Sparkle came to pick him up, Bugs woke up and went to wash his face, comb his hair and brush his teeth. He wanted to look his best for Auntie Sparkle, but he wasn't quite tall enough to see himself in the bathroom mirror, and so he jumped up and down, boing, 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 boing. On his last jump, he knocked the shelf and a great big bottle of shampoo splodged onto his head. It was all gooey, and so Bugs tried to wash it out with water. Well, you know what happens when you mix shampoo with water, don't you, kids? It all foams up. Sparkle arrived just as he came out of the bathroom, completely covered in soapy suds. Lizzie and Sparky had also come along to say goodbye to little Bugs. Sparkle looked at the mess Bugs was in, and then looked at me. She wasn't very happy, kids. "Sid the seagull," she said very sternly. "I can't trust you to do a simple thing like look after my nephew." But, I said, "I'm never letting you look after Bugs again." And with that, she stalked off in a huff with Bugs. "Never ever," I called after her. "Never, ever, 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 ever again," shouted Sparkle as she disappeared into the distance. Lizzie, Sparky and me all looked at each other in silence for a moment. And then we all shouted, "Hooray! Never ever again! Woohoo!" Because he might have had cute big blue eyes, but he really was the Bunny of Doom. Did you enjoy my story, everyone? I can't hear you. Did you enjoy my story? Well, it just goes to show that you can get yourself into a lot of scrapes when you're little, especially if you're not careful. So come on, everyone, stand up and follow me, and I'll show you how to be careful. Be careful when you're walking down the road. Be careful when you lift a heavy load. Be careful when you're playing every day. And don't forget to have some fun along the way. Be careful when you're playing near a fire. Be careful if you see a loose wire. Be careful when you're playing every day. And don't forget to have some fun along the way. Take time to listen to grown-ups when they say don't touch. Take time to look out. It really doesn't take too much. Be careful when you're walking down the road. Be careful when you lift a heavy load. Be careful when you're playing every day. And don't forget to have some fun along the way. Be careful, whoa! Be careful, don't trip. Be careful, watch out. And don't forget to have some fun along the way. That's it, be careful everybody. And don't forget to have some fun too. Be careful if you touch a stinging bee. Be careful if you're climbing up a tree. Be careful if you're carrying a pot, 'cause it might be full and it might be very hot. Be careful when you're bouncing on your bed. Be careful, 'cause you might just bump your head. Be careful when you're riding on your bike. Be careful and you can do just what you like. Take time to listen to grown-ups when they say don't touch. Take time to watch out. It really doesn't take too much. Be careful when you try to cross the road. Be careful, especially on your own. Be careful when you're playing every day. And don't forget to have some fun along the way. Be careful, whoa! Be careful, look out! Be careful, don't trip. And don't forget some fun along the way. Let's dance. That was so much fun, Starlanders! Right, I've got to go now. Great seeing you all. Hope you liked the story and the song. Have a great day. Bye!
Everybody bye, Sid! Oh, high fives all round! High five! Oh, high five over there! Everybody bye, Sid! Do you know what? You can give him a cuddle a little bit later. How does that sound? Just some photos at the end. Is that a deal? Yeah? We'll get Sid to come along later to have some photos. Is that okay, Sid? Okay, bye. Everybody bye, Sid! Oh, I love that.
So I'm crazy.
Unfortunately, let's bring us to the end of our story.